everyone! Happy Saturday morning. Ang aga ni mami niyo today, guys. Ang aking boses ay parang froggy man. Ubo pa more. So, it's not even 8 o'clock. Ako lang ngayon sa sasakyan kasi may appointment si mami niyo sa dentist. Magpapa-feeling tayo, guys. Pero, sobrang lapit lang naman. Alam niyo yung pinupuntahan naming Woolies grocery store. Yes, doon ako pupunta. Malalakad lang, pero sabi ko, I'll just drive para makauwi din ako kaagad, diba? So, daddy is minding the kids for now. Yung dalawa gising na. Sabi ko, Daddy Mike, just give him breakfast. It's still 7:30. Mamaya na ako kakain. After ng dentist. So, alam niyo ba, ewan ko kung bakit pinatagal ko pa. But, I know I've had this, parang, nag-crack ba? For, I don't know, few weeks now. Pumunta ako sa isang dentist na malapit din dito. And parang nagtatanong ba ako kung magkano. Ginigauge ko lang kung ano yung diferensya ng prices. Kasi dito sa Australia, guys, sobrang mahal. Sobrang mahal ng dental works. Kaya nga, diba, yung aking ngipin yung nagpa-veneers ako na hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa rin nagawa ng video. Gusto ko talagang gawa ng like review, but I'll get there pag nagka-time. Anyways, sobrang mahal ng dental works dito sa Australia. So, ask muna ako sa few clinics, and yung presyo ay very similar lang talaga. So, nag-base na lang ako kung saan yung may magandang reviews. So, itong pinakamalapit sa amin na dentist, they've got 5-star reviews. So, I'm hoping na talagang maganda sila. Kasi diba, 5-star reviews. So, doon ako pupunta ngayon. And, hindi lang kasi, guys, yung babayaran mo is yung feeling. So, beforehand, may consultation ka pa. So, babayaran mo yun. And then, meron ka pang x-ray, kasi x-ray pa nila yan. Kung alam ko lang sana ito sa Pinas, ginagawa ko na. Kaya lang, nasa Pinas ay sobrang madalian na, kaya hindi ko na napacheck lahat. So, ginawa ko lang yung gusto ko na magpa-veneers. Hindi ko na na check and everything talaga. But dito ko lang naman napansin na kailangan ko na ng feeling dito sa likuran. Kaya alagaan talaga yung ngipin, guys, kasi napaka-importante. Ayoko na siyang patagalin pa kasi ayoko na umabot pa sa root canal, which is more, like way more expensive. And hanggang kaya pa ng feeling, gawin natin yung feeling. So I'm here. See, Smiling Dental. Diyan lang. Sobrang dami pang ang car park ko space. Aga pa kasi. Ngayon lang nakapag-vlog ulit si mami nyo. So, it is currently 3:20 in the afternoon. 3:20. Hindi ako nag-vlog kanina after sa dentist kasi medyo hindi pa ako nakakapagsalita ng maayos. Diba? They used the, ang tawag doon, guys? Yung naming cream ba? So, pag nagsasalita ako, guys, feeling ko gumagano'n-ganon ang aking bibig. So, minabuti ko na lang na hindi na mag-vlog. So, ngayon, I feel the same. Like, you know, I feel normal now. So, nagawa na yung feeling. So, now, ayan, wala nang cracking na nafe-feel. So, that's good. Sabi ng dentist na I have to go back. Kasi, yung cavity, guys, is parang ano na siya sa kabilang ngipin. So, it means it's still... Yeah. So, it's still small. Pero, sabi niya, like, don't wait for too long. You have to come back to do that thing. So, oh my God. Actually, gusto niyang gawin kanina. Sabi ko, it's okay, I'll come back for it. Kasi hindi ko na paghandaan, guys. The cost. So, share ko lang sa inyo, dito sa Australia, yung pinagawa ko na feeling. So, iba-iba yung presyo ng mga clinics, guys. But, dito sa pinagawa ko, $120 for the consultation and x-ray and $270 for the filling. So, all in all, yung nabayaran ko is $390 Australian dollars for the filling. So, yeah. Anyways, tapos na tayo doon, guys. O, ano na anak? You can't wait to talk lang? Okay.
And
Your
guys, do you know why I got pajamas on? Even though it's the afternoon? Because I'm going to a birthday. And I have a card that I want to show you that I made last night by myself. I found nice. Hope. And at the front it says happy birthday. And I'm going to open it and show my writing. This is the card. And she turned 6. I'll show you. And I want to show you in...
Let's from the bedroom. Sarah, stick them up.
And here's what I said. And I want to read it to you. And it says, hope your birthday's really great. Happy birthday, Sochi, from Paris. Kiss, kiss, kiss. I really like this song.
So, may pajama party kaming pupuntahan this afternoon. So, as always, hindi kami bumili ng regalo. So, ngayon lang kami aalis ni Ate Paris para bumili. Hindi namin isasama si Baby Celine kasi natutulog siya. And sabi ni Daddy Mike, he will take Celine to the park later kapag nandun na si Ate Paris sa kanyang pajamas party. What do you reckon we're getting for Sochi lang?
Anything that for girls. What about we get what I wanted to get?
Yeah, what do you want?
I'm getting it for my birthday as well.
Oh.
I was telling you that long time.
What was it?
I'll show you when we get there. Because I'm not sure what's called, but I know it's a crown.
It's what?
It's a crown. But it has a surprise.
Oh. Tawag anak ko. So, mag-start yung kanilang pajama party from 4:30 to 7. Okay?
Yeah.
So, natapos ko na si Ate Paris, guys. So, ang ating pa-outfit for today is yan. Naka-skirt tayo. And then, bag. And, kasi, naka-contact lens tayo, pwede tayong magsuot ng sunglasses. Who are you there? Sino ka dyan? Ayan lang, ating pa-aura. Halos na kami. Oh, this one. Oh, you're so cute. So, we're at Kmart now. Bibilan ko sa Ate Paris ng pang-bahay na shoes para ma-partneran yung kanyang suot. No, nak. Slippers man lang. Slippers ba? Like, you know, like this. Something like this. But this for Christmas. Oh, takak na. Do the bag as well, sweetie. Ayan yung kanyang pinili, oh.
Country of the plane. Where is it?
Barcode.
I think it's on there.
Good girl. And then the bag. So, ito yung, hindi natin kunin guys kasi oh my god. Nice. Good girl. Alright, so mama's gonna pay na. Happy? That's good.
A few moments later.
Tignan niya mukha na ni Paris. Ayan na sila, oh. Ayan dyan, oh. Ang party. This is fun. It's very cute though na pajama party para very casual lang ang mga kids. Yun niya, Ate Paris, oh.
Pajamas.
May naka-appreciate na ng kanyang pajamas doon kayo na si Kay Mark. Oh, Chrisia! Hi, Sandy! Okay, tingnan niyo ang laki na ng mga... Oh, this is fun. Guys, we'll have a blast. Ayan, si Daddy Mike nilakad si Baby Celine. So sleepy. I think it's look. Oh no. Ate! Lini is awake. She is having some watermelon and chips now. Ate is there, oh. Te, show me what you got there. Ate, show me what you got. Is that a doll? Play doll? Clay. Go play with Ate. Tingnan niyo ang suot ng Baby Celine, guys. Hindi kasi alam ng tatay na dito sa park. Kaya, nung dinala dito sa pram, tingnan niyo. Thank you! Thank you, my love! That's so cute. You big girl, look at her!
Risk in the party.
I can carry me
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sachi. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray!
Amazing. Remember?
Well done, Lini. We're home, guys. Kanina pa pala. And it's just making this yummy mango. What kind of mango is this?
After Eater and Kensington Park. I put the after Eater.
Dee, what are you doing there?
I found this sign. I found the water just to soak.
It's sour.
Which one?
I think because these ones are not as ripe as yet.
This is the Kensington Pride. It's the after Eater.
This one?
What's the
Mr.
Kensington
Water
Pride?
collectors and the bathhouse heater,
My favorite.
Zinaida, the wife of Stanislav, and their 16-year-old daughter, Julia.
Yun yung aking buhok ay nagkakalkag na guys. Pinadedicate ko si Baby Celine pagkarating namin.
Which one's better, the Kensington or the after Eater? That one? Yeah, Kensington. After Eater.
Kasi after naming pumunta ng sa birthday party, pumunta kami ng groceries. Daddy lang pala yung pumasok kasi yung mga kids sa sasakyan. So Daddy bought some
The large family to
stuff.
care for, there's a lot.
Nini, want mango lang?
Strawberry.
Come.
Meanwhile, Joe's son is helping his father in another important task of heating their home. The harsh winters in Nicosia require filling up
Come
the
here.
source of food twice
Yeah,
a
this
day,
way.
3 times a day for 9
Maybe put that away now,
months.
Paris. While Lily's here. Okay, there you go.
Never enough, never, never, never enough, never.
Might swap that actually. Mommy, can you get the green ball out
While
from
using an
the...
outdoor toilet may seem less convenient, it's actually more hygienic.
Oh, that one.
Now the popcorn is gone. We need to.
Which will easily freeze
Strawberry.
toilets without sewage.
Strawberry.
Quite unpleasant.
Which one?
Mommy, is there any text? For this?
Oh no, probably all in the bin, honey. Yeah. Strawberry.
Did we bring a bottle? Did we bring a water bottle with us today?
Damo ni mama.
So then we bring...
Palanggang.
What's the bag?
What is that? Nak, did you have fun lang?
I'm trying to find the copy now.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Use tiny remaining
Huh?
germs, leaving to close strips and refresh.
Are you cooking na
Your wet clothes to stiffen and become
No,
so
let's get it
hard
out
that
now.
pores will be used.
Wow.
The first thing. Put that one.
Ah, Daddy bought me flowers pala, guys.
Freeze and slowly evaporate due to the brightness of the air. Although there is still some moisture in the powder.
Daddy bought me some flowers. Sana all. Gusto ko kayang may flowers dito sa bahay. Ano siya pa nilagyan?
Put it away, Barrett, will you?
Lane, it's too hot for that, Lane. Actually, hindi pala ako nag-dinner. Did you eat, Daddy?
Yeah.
Kanina sa birthday, wala man silang ano doon. Mga fruit lang, ganun. The kids are all good. They have fruit and all that. So, ayun, nakatulog na silang dalawa, guys. Ngayon lang ako lumampas. Galing ng kwarto sa, ano ngayon, mas 10 na siguro ngayon. 10:30. So, nagluto si Daddy Mike. May naaamoy kasi ako, guys. Galing sa kwarto, sabi ko, nagluto si Daddy Mike. Nagluto siya ng, chicken. Dinala talaga ang, Ayan. Is this like, honey? Soy?
Yeah.
Ayaw ko na magluto ng, yung rice. Kaya matagalan man. Meron kaming brown rice na cup. Initin lang. And pagkalabas ko dito, guys, tingnan nyo. Yung binili ni Darimar sa akin na bulaklak, nilagay niya sa bus. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Love this. Iwan ko yung pangalan ng bulaklak na to. I love flowers around the house. Nakaka-relax. Tingnan nyo, sexy pa ng ating tutupin ng damit. Sana all. Nagtutupin ng damit si
Huh?
Say hi, Daddy. Hi.
What are you talking about?
I said, you're so sexy.
What did you really say?
Then, nagtutupin ng mga damit, guys. Ano ba? Ganda. Magplano yata sa Daddy Mike, nakaisip siya ng bulaklak. Hindi pala ako nagkape today. Himala. Kasi di ba kaninang umaga, nung pumunta ako ng dentist, sobrang aga. 8 o'clock yung appointment ko. And then, nung pumunta ako doon, hindi ako nagkape. Nothing. Tapos, pagdating ko doon, yun na nga, kailangang lagyan ng naming cream and all para sa filling. So, hindi ako nakakain hanggang 12:30. Is that silly? So, hindi na ako nakapagkape. Wala akong masyadong nakain today. Mas naman, hindi pa magising si baby Celine. Kakain mo na si mami, anak. Alam niyo si Celine, kapag na-feel niya na wala ako sa tabi niya, umiiyak. Yeah.
What does that mean? Even more drugs, even more killings. The local police force is barely able to keep the situation under control. According to statistics, Mexico City alone is short of over 10,000 officers. Estimates suggest that around 8 kilos of cocaine and half a ton of marijuana are sold in the alleyways of another zone of Tepito.
What time is it? It's 2:10. Nanonood kami guys eh. Alam niyo ba, ngayon lang kami nakakaganito kasi bukas Sunday. Tapos wala kaming plano. Tapos yung mga kids ay hindi umiiyak. Sila hindi umiiyak. Good night na lagi. Good morning. Good night guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.